them do some of them, you can do them later. Yeah. They can stretch it out.
And for the last one, we got the mine. Remember the one?
Oh, yeah, 97 shots. When are you going to record that for? Yeah, put it. No,
YouTube?
87 or 90.
Or 90. It said 97 shots. No, it said 90 shots.
Probably all.
So what is that? Is that a car alarm?
Cardboard, right? It was back here.
Ooh, you see that one over there?
them explode and then the sound. Yep. There's one that went off the other night, though, and I heard car alarm.
Wait, don't you hear them before you see them? See them.
Did you
Light travels faster than sound.
after we went to bed?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right.
That was loud.
Kaboom.
So yeah, there's gotta be a show
It's up in the air.
constantly going on.
Black ops in his legs.
Because you had the unicorn on your shirt.
And the rat hole, remember that? Blow off the chef.
I know. I saw it. Not the non-believers.
No, I just shoot him like a shitload of times.
Oh, Grandma took him to Hot Topic.
Here we go, here we go.
I got a wall down. Whose alarm is that?
Well, I'm getting some really good. Yeah, yeah. So like what? I'm getting some really good footage. I just can't. Car!
I think it's behind me, but that's why I just heard it down there.
That's a very good observation, Logan. That is a car.
I knew she was more than anything.
Oh, well done, buddy.
House to herself with her.
Stop talking like this.
So she's enjoying being one, and I totally get it.
Make it
Well
like.
done, laddie. Well done.
There's our
Why is the car coming down here?
Nice job. Should probably get out. Good, Gilta.
You're stupid.
What? That's the fireworks.
Matthew, when we put this on YouTube, we're gonna have to cut out a whole bunch of parts. Boris. Boris. Yeah, I know, I saw it. It's like a flower. No, this is
I was working.
You gotta beat it up a little bit. Watch the bolt. So he knows
what's the guy's
like.
name out in the street right there with his daughter?
I don't know who that is. Matt. This doesn't have enough gas.
Where'd the other
They
one
live
go?
in the yellow house. The one with the bamboo in the front. He's a nice guy. I
How
just,
old's the daughter then?
yeah, actually she's older than she looks. They're just really tiny.
Oh, okay.
His wife is like,
Okay. I haven't met them.
No, I think she's like Tibet.
oh, sorry.
They all look the same.
What are you, Chinese?
Yeah.
I'm from Laos. What are you, Chinese or Japanese?
I use sitting in your face right now.
I am.
What?
Those barely flame.
When's the last time you've been to a drive-in?
Do you think this is David's first 4th of July?
We need to do a drive-in.
I just want this baby to live.
What is that?
You know how they work, right?
I'd like to see
You get them
like
hot and they just glow. They don't have to be like lit, like they don't have
Okay, here we go. Lighten.
Oh,
I think.
fantastic.
Maybe not.
See, the boys need to see that stuff. We'll do like a John Hughes night.
Yeah. How do you feel?
A John Hughes double feature.
Just some beers and popcorn.
How about Ferris Bueller's Day Off?
Ferris Bueller's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna. If we put this on YouTube, we're gonna have to. Should add music. I'm gonna cut out a whole bunch of parts. Oh, look how long it is.
Uh-oh, careful.
Hey, look at ours!
Go get that Mad Dog, the sparkler. This one that the shower with sparks. Can I go get that one? So are we gonna line up for big ones back in here?
Out here.
I think out here. I'll go get Logan. Let's go get the other fireworks.
Hold up, I'm videotaping.
I know, we're just gonna get them.
No. No. Matthew, no. Matthew. I said no.
Yes!
Oh, Miss Freewood, come on. Stop it.
5 minutes.
Logan, I can make multiple videos into one video.
Oh, we got one coming down the street here.
Okay, you guys don't make a good window, just saying. Hey, you're right in front of David. Scooch. No.
Get out of the way, you filthy baby. It's gonna fly up anyway.
Why don't you just sit in the chair, Matt?
Cause it's a loser chair.
Loser chair.
Hey, that's our chair. You don't talk about our chair
It
that
looks
way.
good on David.
Looks good on you.
It's like a Oriental fan.
This is like
Take that as a compliment.
Look at those big wicker chairs that are big, like in the
When are you
80s.
gonna put them on YouTube for?